In this video, we'll show you how to change the master power window switch on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Ford F-150 Car Battery. Open the door. Using a car trim removal tool, pry out the master power window mirror switch plastic trim. Remove the power connectors. To do this, push on the tabs and pull on the connectors. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, pry out the plastic trim to disengage the retaining lugs from their slots. Then remove the switch from the plastic trim. You can order the power window mirror switch used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new part and install it on the plastic trim. You should hear a click as it locks into place. Reconnect the power connectors. You can now clip the plastic trim back onto the door panel. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.